Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing Wanda the Whale above ground suction pool vacuum. This pool vacuum works on any size pool and it connects to your pump. Alright, so right here we have our pool vacuum. This one is a Hayward W3900 is the model. It's also known as Wanda the Whale. So this one does have the vacuum also included in the hoses. So the hoses, you get about 32 foot of hose, which is included. So in this department right here is where the vacuum is, and then you have some of the attachments. This right here vacuum works with your current pool pump. So it's exclusive SmartDrive steering technology. It's quick and it's a complete clean. It has little knobs at the bottom where it walks around your pool. So you have the tail, we have this extra two adapters in here, and then you have Wanda herself. So this is the bottom part that goes on the bottom of the vacuum, so it kind of moves around your pool. So if it gets to the side of the pool, it kind of pushes it along. This is a really nice pool vacuum. You can see where the little feet right here. So while it's walking on the bottom of your pool, those little things move back and forth to move its device itself. And in the middle, you have the hole. That is where the suction gets sucked up all the debris and the dirt, and it goes into your pump. So these flaps right here just help keep the dirt in the middle of the bottom of the pool vacuum itself. So again, this is the W3900, also known as Wanda the Whale. So this pool vacuum does connect currently to your pool pump. It does have several hoses, so this is the tail right here, but there is one specific hose that gets connected to the top of Wanda the Whale, so that just clips right in here just like this, just to give her the whale feature of having the back tail. This is a SmartDrive program steering system which incurs quick and thorough cleaning. So right here you'll just put the hose at the top. See, this thing here spins while it's in the pool. And then there's a hose that actually says this part goes in. It has a little orange top around the hose that gets connected into there. It connects directly to the skimmer and it installs in less than 10 minutes. It includes a 32 foot of hose, so you have enough hose to get around your pool. So I just installed it into my pool. You can see she's moving around. My pool is quite dirty. We did have a dust storm, so she's moving really quickly. I do have another pool vacuum that I had to use before I got Wanda the Whale, but she does a really good job cleaning, and it gets sucked into my skimmer section and it does clean the pool very well. I do recommend getting a leaf skimmer that goes here on the top, like I do right here. There's a leaf skimmer. That way not all the leaves or the debris will get put into your pump, which makes you have to backwash it a lot. So I did get a skimmer, so it is highly recommended that you do get a skimmer. You can see that she's moving along right here. Once she gets to the side, the little black thing that spins, it pushes her off away from the side. So if you're looking for a nice suction pool cleaner, I would highly recommend checking out this Wanda the Whale. She is perfect. She does her job, and I like the fact that you do get enough hose to cover your whole entire pool.